welcome back to Smashing Food Reviews. Today we're in a place called Bolton, somewhere different than the usual Preston, and we're going to go to a place called Tribez Steakhouse. Apparently they're meant to be very, very good. They've got some nice reviews online, which I've seen, and apparently they've got some very good milkshakes, pizzas, steaks, stuff like that. So hopefully we can go there, have a look at their food, enjoy the food on the review, and hopefully we have a cracking time there, guys. So let's have an exciting food review, and I'll catch you when I'm inside Tribez Steakhouse. Welcome back, guys. We've arrived at Tribez Grill House, Steak and Grill House, and it looks really nice in here. It looks quite modern as well, and I'm very excited to try the food. I've got this little menu over here. Okay, it looks really nice. And we've got a few links at the back from Facebook, their normal website, and from Instagram as well, so they've got quite a few social media accounts. And I'm looking forward to ordering some food now, so I'm going to look at the menu, order some food, and when the food arrives I'll get back to you guys. So keep watching, because some really nice food's going to come, and a hot sizzling steak's going to come. So if you like steak, keep tuned and watch this review. Thank you. Welcome back, guys. I've arrived at Tribez, it's called. It's not called Tribez. I made a mistake. So I've just arrived at Tribez Steak Grill House, and I'm really excited to try the food. They've got lots of different things here, from steaks, pizzas, burgers, lovely starters like prawns, etc. And the food looks really nice. Right, welcome back, guys. The food has arrived on the table, and I've ordered 3 different plates on here. So let's see what I've ordered. So over here I've got prawns, spicy prawns over here, the prawn starter. It looks absolutely amazing. Some nice fresh salad underneath with some sticky sauce on top, spicy sauce. Over here we've got some onion rings, and we've got a lovely burger over here with some steak pieces inside, and it's got some turkey rashers and some melted cheese inside, and that's called the Tribez Special, which has come with some sauce on the side, lovely sauce. I don't know what that is, but we'll try it out later. I think it's going to be the peppercorn sauce. And I've got some onion rings, and over here I've got some coleslaw with some fried onions and some fried peppers, and with some sirloin steak over there. So guys, let's start on this food and let's see how it tastes, because I'm absolutely hungry and I can't wait to taste this food. Right, so we're going to start on the starter first. So you see it's got the shell on it, so we'll take the shell off. Wow, them prawns, absolutely amazing. Really, really soft. You get a really nice kick to it in the sauce. Get some spice to it. It's marinated to perfection. The seasonings is perfect. The salad underneath is mega, mega fresh. We've got a really nice peri flavour to it. Absolutely amazing. Honestly, guys, you need to try this and come down. These prawns are succulent and juicy. It tastes really nice, and it's got a good kick to it. So if you like spice, then you definitely got to go for this one. Them prawns are amazing. Thank you very much. Right, guys, so over here I've got a lovely burger over here, like I said, with some steak pieces. It's got a turkey rash inside with some cheese, and I've ordered a side of coleslaw as extra, and then I've got some onion rings over here. So let's pull this knife out. Really nice carving knife over here. Steak knife, let's go and cut through it. So look at that, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. Nice and pink in the middle. It's got a lovely, looks like a barbecue sauce on top, with some jalapenos underneath. And let's see how it tastes. The steak burger in the middle just melts in your mouth, just absolutely disintegrates. It's really, really, really soft. Then you get that nice, almost like cheddar cheese flavour on top. And then you get that little bit of sweetness from the bun. It's like a brioche bun. And it's nice and charred on the top. It's grilled to perfection, nice and soft. Can't complain about that. Absolutely fantastic. You get that spice from the sauce in there, from the jalapenos. It's really, really good. I'm going to try these onion rings and dip it in the coleslaw. Nice and squidgy in the middle. It's not the fresh onions, it's just like the normal soft onion flavour in the middle. And the coleslaw is really nice and fresh. Presentation in this nice little metal thing. And it's really, really nice. Easy to hold. And I like the chopping board as well. That's really, really beautiful. So that's steak bird, guys, the Tribez special. Absolutely amazing. Really, really soft. And it melts in your mouth, so I recommend that one. Right, guys, I'm going to move over to the steak now. Right, guys, this is the one that I've been waiting for. This is what I've been waiting for all day. Right, can't wait to try this. So we've got some fried onions and peppers, like I mentioned, with some little mushrooms in there as well. Nicely grilled down on the grill. And we've got a nice, lovely sirloin steak here. So let's see when I put this peppercorn sauce on top. So let's try this. Nice and soft. It was so easy to cut through that, guys. Honestly, it just melted through the mouth. Let's give it a try. The steak is so soft. I've cut through that well easy. And the sauce on top gives it that nice, it's like creamy, and also like a cheesy flavour going through that as well. Going through the sauce. Absolutely amazing. Honestly, this steak is so soft. And I'm just going to try it with the fried onions now, and the peppers. The peppers and the onions are cooked to perfection, nice and soft. There's no harsh spices to it. It's just you just get a little kick of spice to it. The main thing that I love is that the onions are soft and not too hard or crunchy. The steak and the sauce together go fantastic. The steak, once again, really, really soft, like with a creamy, almost like cheesy sauce on top. This is the peppercorn sauce, honestly, really, really tasty, guys. Absolutely no bad points on any of the food today. All of this has been cracking and bang on. And this place has smashed it once again. Honestly, I've had a really good reception. The guys here are treating me really, really nicely. I've had the utmost support from these guys. They've allowed me to go in the back. And they've allowed me to go and see the kitchen at the back and check them whilst they're doing the steak out and the grills, and some nice pictures from there as well. So guys, make sure you come down here. Some steak chips over here to go with the steak as well. So let's go and let's give these steak chips a try. Let's see how it goes. These steak chips, guys, wow. When it goes along with that cheese sauce on top, that creamy peppercorn sauce, it just goes so well together with the chips. And the chips are nice and crispy, golden cooked to perfection, and just perfect. They're just crunchy in your mouth. Really nicely made. No problem with the chips whatsoever. Nice and hot. I'll try this food out. Right, over here, I've got a couple of really nice drinks over here. Really fresh, guys. Doesn't taste chemically or anything like that, like you get in physical. Just tastes nice and fresh with the pieces of ice in there, with a fresh piece of lime in there. You just get that young hint of different fruit. And the waka waka must have some kind of like mixed fruit in there. You don't taste like one fruit, it tastes like a fruit punch. But it really, really tastes nice. Alright guys, so let's try this drink out and see how it tastes. You get a very strong, almost like tropical flavour type of drink going on there. I don't know if it's almost like a pineapple flavour there, but it tastes so refreshing. A wedge of lime in there again. The flavours are not very strong at all. You just get like a fresh fruit flavour again. And these mocktails taste super fresh and just natural fruit flavours. And the food is absolutely banging. I can honestly say that all this food again is going to be, I'm going to give this a 9 out of 10 guys, honestly. Can't recommend enough. And out of all this stuff, for me, my favourite starter of all this has got to be them prawns. That prawn starter is absolutely amazing. The kick of spice in there and the sauce on the prawns are really, really nice. And the prawns are nice and juicy as well. And over here, followed up by this burger. That burger was melt in the mouth. That burger was absolutely good. You just bite straight through and it's so soft and just melts. So yeah, if you want to come down here guys, that Tribez burger special and then prawn slices were really, really good. And after that comes the steak, which was still very, very good. Everything was to perfection and I can't complain about anything guys, so thank you for watching.